Hey guys, Coach Remmy here. Today we are going to do quadriceps and calves workout, and the whole workout will be dedicated to those muscles. And the way we are going to do this workout, we will be doing 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, then we move on to the next exercise. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is Coach Remmy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do at home or anywhere else that fits. Let's get right into our workout. By doing kicks, we are kicking forward and backward. Let's do 15 seconds on one side. We kick forward, backward. Use your arms to find balance. It's also a balancing exercise. Today we are going to work the legs. All right. Let's finish 30 seconds one side. Now we go on the left. Find the balance with the arms. All right, let's wait for our timer. Okay, let's go. Wonderful. Wide stance. Let's do hip circles during the break. All right. Let's do shallow squats. We're not going all the way down. All the way down means going as deep as you can, while maintaining a straight back. All right, now we go all the way down and then up. All right, let's go. Use your arms to find the balance. Usually when you're going all the way down, if you put them forward, it will help for the balance. And from here on, you start squeezing the glutes. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to lunge. We lunge, we come, then we put the leg down, lunge, we bring the leg, backward lunge, avoid hitting your knee on the ground. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to do curtsy lunges. So right foot forward, left foot crossed behind, and then you lunge down. This works the outer thighs. Use your arms for stability. All right, we go on the other side. Right foot crossed behind. Let's go. Beautiful. Now we're going to work the calves. So the key here is to make sure your feet are at least hip width apart, and then we go and stand on the tip of our toes. Hold it up 1 second and also go down slowly. Beautiful. We're going to do another one for the calves. Stand on the tip of the toes and then go down slowly. Let's go. Now you hold it up like 2 seconds. 1, 2, go down slowly. 1, 2, go down slowly. 1, 2, go down slowly. Beautiful. Next one, hold the wall, bring one leg forward. Now we're going to be always extending the knee. All right, extend as much as your flexibility allows. Notice how my ankle stays in the same position, not like this. It's always facing, has almost a 90 degrees angle. Okay, switch. So if you're doing the right, if you're doing the left, then the left arm is on the wall. All right, let's go. Beautiful. Now we're going to work again to do the squats, regular squats, but with pulses. We go down and then we do 1, 2, up. Here the glutes are fully squeezed. 1, 2, up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 1, 2, up. 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 Beautiful. Kick the legs free. Today we're going to really make sure that the legs feel the workout. Now we're going to go down in 2 motion. 1, 2, 1, 2, going down in 2 motion and coming up in 2 motion. So you stop halfway. A little bit of isometric contraction and this makes sure that we will remove if we are going down. Sometimes people go down like this, which is not really a workout. That is letting the body fall down. So next one we are going to do, we go down in one motion, we come up in 2, 3. Okay, let's go down in one motion. 1, 2, 3, down. 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 1, 2, 3. Last one, guys. Last one is coming. If you still have it, let's finish strong. We are going to do jump squats. So if you can't do jump squats, just do regular squats and let the feet stay in their position and land soft. Never land when your legs are straight. Beautiful. There you have it, guys. A wonderful, fun and challenging leg workout. Whew. As always, if it was your first time on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell notification so that you don't miss any workout. Coach Remmy here, inspiring you to get fit without you needing any equipment. Bye bye.